How to make money with TikTok affiliate marketing. As you can see here on my screen, I'm going to show you step by step in this video exactly how you can get the same results. You can duplicate the same results in 2024. As you can see, this is all done by organic, which means free traffic. I didn't pay for any ads. You can see almost 1 million views. Now you can do the math. If only 1% or 3% of people click on my landing page or website and buy the product, right? You can imagine how much money you can make. If you go over here to ClickBank, you can see many offers are paying in weight loss space, of course, $146 per sale, $122 per sale. You can see lots of people are making money with these offers. There are also other obscure offers over here in category space like self-help, personal development, green products, solar, and so on and so forth. Now again, I'm saying you don't have to show your face and your name, right? As you can see over here, engagement is really great. And lots of those people are sharing. So it's free traffic. It's like I'm getting free referrals, free affiliates on TikTok. Now, if you have your own products on TikTok shop, I can show you in other videos, it can be really well. But if you're an affiliate, if you're a beginner, if you're someone who wants to become affiliate marketer and just make side hustle, make $3,000 per week, $4,000 per month, or $10,000 per month, yes, you can simply and easily do this without ever showing your face, okay? And without worrying of getting shut down by Google or YouTube or Facebook, okay? So this works really well. Now, let me show you how this is done in practice. But before I go into it, you can reach out to me on my Instagram, okay? Now, I'm not showing you this to brag about my lifestyle that I was able to achieve with affiliate marketing. You can see I went to Morocco, to Sahara, Dubai, Thailand, Bali, Spain, Santorini, Switzerland, right? All these places I go because of affiliate marketing, as you can see over here, right? Because I was able to take action and stop procrastinating and making excuses for myself, right? That's why I was able to do this. Now let me show you how you can do this, all right? Let's go straight into this. The first thing you have to remember is this. Lots of gurus on ClickBank and other platforms on YouTube are giving you free advice which doesn't work in 2024. It's outdated. So it means it used to work. Now when you're running ads, for example on TikTok or Facebook or Google, what matters is having the right message to the market match. What do I mean by that? As you can see over here, we have 5 different stages of awareness. You see, we have unaware audience, problem-aware audience, solution-aware audience, product-aware audience, and most-aware audience. Those number 4 and 5 are top 1% of buyers. What do I mean by that? It means you put a product review on Google and you're gonna get sales because they're already aware of the product. What most gurus keep a secret or hold back from you behind the scenes is this. Each lender or landing page on ClickFunnels that you're building needs to have different ad copy. Not only ad copy, but copywriting, sales page, everything has to be different for males and females. Now in the next slide, I'm going to show you exactly the secret that most of gurus would charge you $5,000 or $20,000 to teach you that. I'm giving you for free on a platter. So we have 5 stages of awareness. It means that if we have problem-aware audience, of course our copy is going to be different. Our headline is going to be different than if we are promoting to someone who is most aware. It means they already know everything. They know the iPhone exists, right? They know they want this model, they just want to buy now. Okay, so by now you should realize that how easy this can be and simple once you get a bigger picture of marketing and understand deeper psychology on a deeper human level. Okay, let me show you secrets of the game of affiliate marketing, right? With males and females. So with females in this step, it takes 27 minutes to make a buying decision. Now what does this tell me? This research told me that my intention should be that person consumes my content on my landing page or quiz funnel longer so they can make a buying decision. Now you see, maybe you tried some other courses on ClickBank from other affiliate gurus and you failed. You didn't make any money. It's not your fault. Why? Because if you just make one landing page, short content, no movement of person in emotional states, then you won't make a sale. I'm running ads or showing the content to cold traffic, people who have never heard of the product. So my intention is to get them into the problem state first and move the needle from point A, which is problem state, to point B, which is solution state. You see? You see what I'm doing here, right? So for females, it takes 27 minutes to make a buying decision on average, of course. And for males, it takes 6 minutes to make a buying decision. And our core emotion, it's status, right? Reproduction. For males, for females, security, reproduction. Security is higher, right? So those are, first of all, I care about primary emotions, and I make my ads and landing page correlate to that. And then I need to include secondary emotions, right? Not just primary, but also secondary to get 40 or 60% conversion rate on average. That's the secret, my friend. So as you watch this video, each ad has to be, you have to keep this in mind, right? Low emotional states, high emotional states audiences. We have different audiences. We have males and females, and language pattern on landing page and ads is totally different. I get it. Lots of gurus are telling you, selling you idea, it's simple. Just throw something like a spaghetti on the wall and hope it sticks. And then they tell you, bro, just keep split testing, which doesn't work. Split testing is big scam. It's just like trying out guesswork, I would say guesswork. This is what split testing is. I don't ever do split testing, because split testing means you don't know anything. You're just guessing what will work, hoping something works. And you're losing money and time. Now, if you want to have sustainable income with affiliate marketing, you see over here, right? You have to understand this. Offer versus market. So, if you do this, right, the numbers will look much more better when it's all said and done, right? Because offer is the most important thing for some, but market is number one. You can have a shitty, as you will see over here, right? You can have the best offer in a shitty market and not do great. You won't make any money. Or you can have a shitty offer, shitty product in a great market, and you will make a lot of money, right? So it's all about the evergreen niches. The market is hungry, okay? Hungry, hot button market. That's what matters if you want to make money. I'm not talking about millions. I'm talking just $300 per day, $500 per day, right? Sustainable, stress-free income. That's what matters. Begin somewhere, and when you get there, you will be able to see further, okay? Stop listening to all this mess about making $10,000 a day. Yes, it can be done, but let's start from the beginning. Start making $500 a day and then scale up, okay? That's gonna give you much more boost and fast forward you into the future to have better results, okay? So, I'm creating buyer ads or buyer content. Okay, in this case, we talk about TikTok, but you can do this on Facebook and Google as well. So for each audience, I would do different kind of ads. Story ads, roller coaster ads. Now maybe you don't know what is this, don't worry. It can be all done for you. You don't have to learn anything as much as someone else is in years of experience, of course. But when you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, and hand-holding you and show you over the Zoom call how everything is done, then you can spend 20 or 30 max minutes a day, 30 minutes a day managing this, okay? Then we have different ads, direct ads, roller coaster ads, and story ads, okay? So, side effect of doing this, if you're still watching this, it's great because it means you're smart, because you want to move forward, and by now understand that you should stop procrastinating and take action now. So it means you have good return on investment, which can be 200 to 700% or more. You're gonna have high engagement, low CPAs, and cheaper clicks. You get fast, cheap clicks, which means also low ad spend and more profit on average order value. All right. Now, what to do next? As you watch this video, I already show you. You can contact me on my Facebook, Instagram, DM me there. You can join my free Facebook group. All the links are going to be description below, but only if you're serious, okay? If you're really committed, and this is for someone who is an action taker, who is maybe a newbie. If you're a newbie, doesn't matter where in the earth you live. If you have a Wi-Fi connection, if you have a laptop or a phone, do let me know, all right? And this is also for people who tried in the past. You try maybe Amazon, you try e-commerce, you try affiliate marketing, you failed, you didn't make any money. I understand. I used to be there as well. But if you want to get new method and duplicate it in that works in 2024, which is not outdated, then do let me know, and we can help you to move forward and once for all finally start generating results. Because let's be honest, if you already knew how to make money, you wouldn't be watching these videos, right? But you don't, and it's not your fault. The reason you don't know is because you tried all these courses in the past and no one ever told you the things you see in this video right now. Am I right? Am I right? Comment below, let me know. Okay, I'm giving you this for free. Some people would charge in masterminds 10,000 to 5,000 euros for these things. I'm giving you for free right now to consider taking action for yourself to get someone to help you one-on-one, hand-holding you and show you, okay, let's do this and let's move forward now. Again, don't forget to watch other videos and connect with me after watching.